It is that time of the week again, guys. Beater Box Fridays. I'm gonna try to be consistent for like once in this channel's like history, and I'm gonna be posting every single Friday for beater boxes. Be sure to nag me and stay on top of me for that because I want to make sure that I can keep up with that. Anyway, this beater box is from Soul Supremacy. It is gonna be $1,300, $1,300. So high tier box, pretty expensive, and I'm hoping that we get a little bit better stuff than we did in that last video, which you guys can check out over here, which was a $1,200 box. I have a lot of cool information for you guys about stuff that's coming up in the channel, so if you guys are interested in all of that and seeing the beater box unboxing, then stay tuned. That is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a beater box unboxing from Soul Supremacy. You guys know what beater boxes are. They are sneaker mystery boxes full of new and used shoes in various sizes and conditions. And the entire point of the box is to like resell all of these things and try to make money on the box. You buy in bulk, and then that way you can actually make some profit on them by selling them for like competitive market pricing. So that's why we open these things up. We will see if we actually made more money than $1,300 on this box, but you guys got to stay tuned till the end to find out if we do. I'm going to get into this box real quick, but before we do, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. RG&B, the minimalistic jewelry company that you guys know and love. Some of the best jewelry pieces you will ever find, and the prices are literally unbeatable. And this is actually one of the best times to buy from RG&B because they are having their end of the financial year sale where everything is 35% off if you guys use the link in the description. So you go to that link and you guys can cop stuff like this, which I'm wearing right now. And as you guys can see, it like pops really, really well on like a black t-shirt and stuff. So very cool piece over here. If you guys do want to cop pieces like this, now is the time. 35% off and free shipping from RG&B. Go to the link in the description below, click on that link. It will take you to Rose Gold and Black where you will automatically get 35% off all of your purchases and free shipping. Anyway, let's get into this unboxing now. $1,300 from Soul Supremacy. It's gonna be a good one, guys. We haven't really had super crazy heat in a while. I'm expecting something crazy. Fingers crossed. First impressions are, what is this thing? What is this thing? Okay, so you guys can follow along on the counter over here. The first shoe that we have out of the box has no box. It's some kind of Vapor Max, but honestly, I have not seen this model before. It's kind of like a Vapor Max mixed with like a sock dart, it kind of looks like. This one is in the size 12 though, and you guys can check it out over here. Used condition, a little bit of fraying over here on the upper, but overall, I mean, it's still not a bad shoe. I've told you guys in the past that I'm not really big on Vapor Max just because they're not very comfortable for me. And honestly, this pair's like aesthetics is not something that I would wear. It's a good gym shoe though, so if you guys need this, it's definitely going for cheap on the counter up here, I'm guessing. And you guys are able to cop all of these shoes on untiedhawaii.com, so check it out if you need it. Anyway, let's check out what else we got. This one, ooh, okay, we got a cool shoe. We got a good shoe. It's the last shoe without a box, and this is actually like one of my favorite models for a Foamposite. These are the Oregon Foamposite, so very, very dope shoe here. What size do we have? It is a size 11.5, darn. I would have kept it if it was my size, but a little bit too big. Oregon Foamposite, you guys can check it out. You guys can see that it's from the University of Oregon, the Oregon Ducks. You can see like these like feather patterns running on the Foamposite. Back here, it has the University of Oregon logo with ducks running back here. And then also, I'm not sure if you guys can see on the inside over here on the soles, but you guys can try to check out that there is that Oregon Duck there as well. A lot of Oregon branding. I think it's a pretty cool shoe. It's actually like one of the most obtainable Oregons because it's not technically a PE, I don't believe. Not like the Jordan 4 Oregons, which is like one of my grails. But yeah, this one's more readily available. And these are actually going for, I'm assuming like $300 something over here. So that's a good bump to the counter. Next shoe out, we have an Adidas box. This one, okay, size 10.5. It's a night jogger. All right, well, we got some shoe things in here. I don't know why for this shoe. Nice. Always cool to have like little bonus stuff, I guess. It kind of looks like it's in dead stock condition, which is really weird because why would it have this if it's not used at all? Maybe try it on? I'm not sure. Anyway, you guys can check it out over here. I've never seen the night jogger in person before, but it does have Boost material on the bottom. Also, the color scheme kind of is like reminiscent of like an infrared vibe, so I'm assuming that's what it's called. And you guys can see why I'm not sure if this is a dead stock sneaker, because when you guys look at the bottoms, it looks pretty darn clean, and the uppers have like no damage. So I'm assuming that this is actually a dead stock sneaker, but I will check it more in depth, and you guys will see that the counter reflects the price of if it's new or if it's used. Also, you guys can have these things if you guys want them. I usually leave whatever's in the box when I sell it to you guys on untiedhawaii.com. So we are like halfway through the box, I think. Nothing too crazy yet. This one is a size 9.5Y Jordan 11 low. Okay, I believe these are called Obsidians. I'm not too sure. You guys can see over here though, it is like a navy kind of blue look. And I believe that these things are dead stock. The bottoms are very, very icy. I don't see any sockling on the inside, so I'm assuming this is a dead stock sneaker. But the problem here is that if we try to sell this on things like GoDap, it's gonna be a little bit tough because over here there's like a rip in the box. So sometimes they process it as like still dead stock and they kind of let this go. But sometimes whoever you have, I guess, as the authenticator might be like finicky and this might count as like a damaged box. So we gotta see. I'm hoping that it gets through authentication and I can sell it as DS, because if it's used, it's gonna cut into the value a lot. Next shoe out, we have a Air Max 97 size 10. This one, what the heck is this? Some kind of American 97, I guess. You guys see over here, it has the red, white, and blue running over the entire shoe. It is in used condition. You guys can check the bottoms, a little bit dirtied up, but the uppers look completely fine. No like tears or anything. Bunch of sockling inside the shoe, but man, check this thing out. That is like definitely some patriotic vibes on here. So that's kind of cool, man. I don't know if there's anybody that wants these for like 4th of July kicks, maybe New Year's and stuff, I guess. I don't know. That's what you would use these for. Other than that, I'm not too sure how often you would wear that. Okay, a couple more in here. We have a old school box. This is a Foamposite 9.5. A lot of Foamposites today. This one, I don't know what this is called. This Foamposite is from 2011, so it's a pretty old shoe. But Foamposites are basically tanks. They last forever. You can check out the bottoms. They are kind of like discolored, but for the most part, not too bad at all. Uppers, no scratching over here. Overall, not too bad. Foamposites usually fetch some good money. I think their retail is just so high that no matter what, like when you resell them, you'll probably fetch at least 150 plus. So that's what I'm assuming is on the counter over here. Fingers crossed, I hope, because I still don't see any heat in this box. The Oregon foams are cool, but I want something more. Something more. Holy, this box is completely damaged. Look at that. Damaged box. I don't know if this one would get through authentication as like not damaged. It doesn't even have like the size tag and stuff on here. Okay, but we do have a pair of Jordan 11 Concords, so that's cool. This is a good shoe. And it is in a size 10. So you guys can see over here, Jordan 11 Concords. These are the most recent release. It does have some slight toe box creasing over here. Not terrible. Bottom slightly dirtied up, but I mean, it is a new shoe. I believe it's like less than a year old, so it can't be that bad unless they wore it to the ground. Overall, looks pretty good though. So if you guys want this, check that out. Be warned, the box is damaged though. That's a pretty bad box. All right, so we got 2 shoes left in here. This one's a good shoe. It's a Foamposite again, size 11. And never mind, this is a not good shoe. Oh no. These things I think are called like the metallic chromes or something like that, and they usually go for like a lot of money. But look at this. You guys can see over here, that is not good. This is not good at all. The paint is like chipped off a lot on this shoe, so I mean, nobody's gonna want to buy it when it's like this. If you guys are using it for like a beater kind of shoe, then I could see that, but it's like all over the place. Other shoe is the same thing. I don't even know how it gets this bad, dude. Like, check this out. Again, just chipping everywhere. Not certain how they wore it into the ground that bad. It is what it is. I'm not sure how to value this one. I'm hoping there's some value, but I'm guessing it's not as good as it should be if it was like in good condition, so whatever. The last shoe in this box, I'm hoping is money. It's a Jordan 1 box, that's why. And it is in a size 9, so that's a solid size. And we have, ooh, this is a 2013 version though? Oh gosh, I think this is 2013. No! Okay, it's a pair of the 2013 Jordan 1 Chicagos. I'm not super stoked over that. It does look like it was used maybe once, but it's not super bad. You guys can see it under the camera over here. This is the Jordan 1 Chicago 2013 version. A lot of people don't like this one because like the leather is kind of stiff and it doesn't have a feel of a Chicago. Like the 2015 version is the one that's money. 2013, a lot of people hated this leather, so it's not going for as much resale. But overall, the condition of this one is very, very nice. You guys can see not too much creasing anywhere on the shoe at all. Maybe a little bit on the toe box, but those bottoms are pretty darn clean. I'm thinking there's gonna be some decent value on this. Size 9 for Jordan 1s is like a very, very good size. So I'm hoping that there's money there. But yeah, guys, that is it for this $1,300 box. I'm not sure how to feel about this one. We haven't seen anything too crazy in the boxes recently, but I think the profit is still there. Like that last box that we just got, the $1,200, I sold that Yeezy bread like instantly, so we got like half the price of the box back. So it's stuff like that where it may not look pretty, but there's a lot of value there, and that's what matters, right? Is when you get resale value on these things. But you guys can let me know in the comments below what you guys felt like for this box. Was it a good box? Was it a bad box? And I do gotta let you guys know that I am checking out a new beater box store. I don't think they're called beater boxes. It's like a sneaker mystery box thing, and it's definitely not from Cool Kicks. Not from Cool Kicks. Anyway, you guys should be happy with the box. It's gonna be a new one. He's from Minnesota, I believe, somewhere, but the guy is reputable and he's killing it on Instagram recently. So we're gonna be checking that one out, hopefully like within the next week. Shipping is taking forever, but I am excited for it. So stay tuned for that one. We're gonna be coming with the Soul Supremacy stuff. We're gonna be coming out with that new box soon. So there will be options for you guys if you guys are looking for these boxes. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. We will be back again next Friday with another beater box. Hold me accountable to that. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button as well. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you. Aloha. Shoot!